Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashes Treasures. We're here making our brownies today. I don't have my helper with me, my director, my camera person.
And I got some chocolate and we are making brownies.
She is licking the spoon, the best part of the job. This is our brownie recipe. And yes, it does have eggs. I will not be eating this brownie. But everybody else will enjoy. And we put it in this pan. And what we'll do after we bake it, it has the inserts. We'll push the insert in and it'll cut the brownies equal squares for us. You put it in for 350 for 20 to 30 minutes until, stick the knife in and it comes out clean. So we will see you when this is done. Look for part 2 and we'll have some yummy brownies. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for stopping by. Give us a thumbs up and ring the bells for notifications, and we'll see you later.
Don't forget to press the subscribe button down below and we will see you again.
We'll see you later. Have a good day.
Don't forget the subscribe button part.
I said it. You want to remind them again?
Yes.
That's her reminder. Later.